Want to set up a keeper league in ESPN Fantasy Football? Here's how to do it. First, open the ESPN Fantasy app or head over to the ESPN Fantasy website. Now tap on Create or Join League, then tap on Create New League. Here, go ahead and tap on the Create League option. Once your league has been created, you want to tap on the My Team option. Now tap on League. Then tap on League Manager Tools. Now go ahead and toggle on the Enable Keepers option over here. Here you can set how many players each team can keep from season to season, which round they will be retained in, and whether there are restrictions on positions. Once you have configured your keeper rules, save the settings. Then invite members, and now your league is ready. Each team can start planning which player they want to keep for next season. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.